Hello viewers, today my new Bengali recipe caramel rice kheer. Tasty, yummy and delicious. You also can make this kheer at home. I am Krishna from cooking channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start how it makes. Here I have taken half bowl sugar. Now switch on the induction. Stir it continuously till the sugar dissolves and should be brown in color. Now add enough water, then stir it continuously till the sugar dissolves and it is light brown in color. Now you can see it is done. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons milk. Mix it well. Now stir it continuously so that the sugar will dissolve with milk. Add caramelized milk in a pan. Mix it properly till the milk is half of the pan. Add half teaspoon ghee. If you add ghee, the milk will not overflow. I have soaked basmati rice for half an hour. I have added in milk. Slow the induction and stir it continuously so that the rice will not stick at the bottom of the pan. Then cook the rice till it is become tender or mushy. I am going to add one bay leaf. If you add bay leaf, the smell of bay leaf will be there in the kheer. Boil the rice till it is gravy. If you want the kheer is watery, then check out the rice is cooked and you can switch off the flame. But I want payasam should be gravy. If it is gravy, it will be more tasty. Now you can see the rice is cooked very well. With masher, I have mashed the rice. Now I am going to add milk maid. It is optional, you can avoid it. After adding milk maid, cook for a few minutes. After few minutes, switch off the induction. Garnish with chopped dry fruits. Now it is done. Then transfer to a bowl and sprinkle cardamom powder and chopped cashew nuts. Tasty, delicious and yummy caramel rice kheer is ready to serve. Thanks for watching my cooking videos. Till then, take care and bye.